Yes, Mohan, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. So I request Pooja to give a short intro. Pooja, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yeah, okay. Give a short welcome note, ma.
Okay, so I welcome all back. So today the session is going to handle by Mohan Ram. So on the topic of ethical hacking. So I request the participants to join and ask for friends also to join. And yeah, can we start this session? Mohan Ram, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, Pooja.
Okay.
Okay. Just a minute, guys. So I will share my screen right in a few minutes. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, guys, is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, Mohan.
Yes, Mohan.
Okay. So hi guys, how are you all? And this is the session when very interesting, vast topic in cybersecurity field, and also in uh, also called as ethical hacking. So this field is a craze field which can teach you more and more knowledge about the security field of computer science, and also maybe said as the backside of computer science. Okay, so let's start. What is ethical hacking? Actually, this is the class. We are going to study all the basics of ethical hacking, and we are going to see about two programs, which is based on Python used for ethical hacking. Why we are studying this ethical hacking in Python bootcamp? What is the need for that? Actually, ethical hacking is mostly covered with Python language only. uh, Approximately 80% of scripts are written in Python, because Python is an easy and interpreted language. So you can do lots and lot of things with one line of or two lines of code. No need for more lines of code. Why they have chosen? There are many interpreted languages like JavaScript, Ruby, Perl, like that, but why they have chosen Python? Because Python is, you have studied this in this boot camp, right? Python is a very fast and interpreted language, right? So that the file size will be very less compared to all other interpreted languages, and it runs in seconds compared to all other interpreted languages. So that's why we are using Python here more. This is the reason why you are using this ethical hacking Python, all stuff. Okay, so let's get in the topic. Let me make it full screen. Yeah, so now it will be easier. Okay, what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is normally meant by finding vulnerabilities and using these vulnerabilities to gain access in some computers. I will explain in deep. What is vulnerability? Anyone have any idea that what is vulnerability, or anyone have any idea that what is ethical hacking in your knowledge? You can kindly share this in the chat box. Anyone has any idea that what is ethical hacking on your view? Okay, nobody knows, huh? Okay, not a problem. Okay, I will say ethical hacking. Yeah, white hat hacking, Baushya. Yeah, you're true. Actually, ethical hacking is divided into many several parts. There are many types of hackers involved in this ethical hacking field. Uh, what we can see, how we can classify them, right? That is a question. We can classify them into major three parts. One is white hat hacking, and another one is gray, and the last one is black. There are furthermore brown, blue, gray, like that, all the stuff are there, but we consider the major three types: white, gray, and black. What is this white meant for? White hat hackers are normally meant as ethical hackers. They will only hack a computer or find some bugs, vulnerabilities are meant as bugs, okay, some errors in the code, okay. That is a loophole. Attacker can easily involve into the system and crack all of the details. So that is a loophole that is called as vulnerability. Okay, this word is very important in this case. White hat hackers normally what they do is if they want to crack into a system, they will get legal permission from the authority. If I'm going to hack your system, I have to get legal authority from your side that yeah, you can hack. Your permission is granted to me. Then only I can hack this stuffs and find vulnerabilities in your computer and secure your computer. If I found any vulnerabilities on your computer or in your device or server, anything, I will fix that, and I will tell you immediately that this is the bug. No hiding of bugs and future use of it. Ethical is fully ethical. That is meant for white hat hacking. Okay. After that, we have the black hat. They are fully culprit guys. Why I'm saying this? They are fully unethical hackers. From the word itself, you came to know that they are unethical, right? They Most of the black hat hackers you can see in the dark web. Somebody knows of dark web, right? You can see it in the movies like Mr. Robot web series. Like you can see, or you simply search in browser. They normally use a browser called Tor, Tor. Okay, that is an onion router. What is onion? If you take an onion vegetable in your hand, if you peel, it will come layer by layer by layer. It will come the onion. You see, right? Similar to that, the browser protects the hacker from tracking. If some legal persons tracks a hacker, they couldn't find them because there are several layers behind the browser. Okay, there are too many firewalls in front of them. The browser prevents the ethical hacker to find the unethical hacker. That's why they are using the Tor browser, and they're also using the dark web, which is mostly secured. You can't find a single vulnerability in them because they are scripted with master and masters of hackers. Okay, so that the dark webs are not easier to hack, and they use that. They most commonly use that for illegal child pawning and missiles, machine guns, drugs. Everything will be there. You can even order to your home from that website like Amazon, Flipkart, blah blah blah. Okay, that is also possible, but that is dangerous. So this is called as unethical hacking. These guys just steal your information and sell them for money, or they can blackmail you and get money from yourself itself. They are unethical guys. After that, we have the white hat hackers. Who are they? I already explained, right? Sorry, gray hat hackers. We call them gray hat hackers. That is the middle guy between white and black. They are like a chameleon. Chameleon, that is a insect, a chameleon. uh, for if they want money, they will be a black hat. If they want to be good on some time, depending upon the situation, they will be white hat. So we cannot judge the gray hat people with their mindset. Okay, they depends upon the situations. So these are the basic ethical hackers who involved in this society. So ethical hacking uh, is the majority case that we are going to see in this. We are not going to cover the unethical hacking part because from the word itself, it is unethical. Okay. But while you study ethical hacking deeply, you will also read offensive security, which is a major paper in OSCP. Okay. Currently, I'm writing it. If you want any queries about OSCP examination or ethical hacking examination, kindly contact me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will lead you. And these are the types of hackers that we see now. Okay, what are the different? And after that, a suicide hacker is also a person. Like some army people carry a cyanide tablet with them. Okay, if they stuck in any hazardous situation, they immediately take it and bite them, and they will die. As like we have the hackers also in USA, North Korea, China, Japan, everywhere they are suicide hackers. They will hack something and they will suicide. That is the motto of them. Why they are suiciding is once they will caught them, they will be suicided. Okay. And what are the different types of hacking? Hacking covers multiple parts. While you study the OSCP, you will furthermore dig deep into it. Okay. So this is classified. I have classified simple things here. So I will come line by line. Okay. Website hacking. First thing is a website hacking. Everyone knows website, right? Website is a place where all the data are stored and we can visit them. Okay, that is website. So any hackers hacks into the website, into the server, it is called as website hacking. We can hack this type of things with nmap. Nmap is a tool, famous tool used in Kali Linux, Paratos, like this. And that with that help of that tool, we can find the IP address and the port number, all those stuff. And if any port is open there, we can directly hack into that website. If there is some vulnerabilities, right? Vulnerabilities are meant for bugs. Okay, loopholes. If there is any insecure loopholes inside the website, you can easily crack into the website. Okay, so while if you are designing a website or anything you are doing with the server side or application, server side applications, you just check whether all the security loops or loopholes are patched, and make a bug founding team, enroll in bug bounty, bug crowd, like that. You can furthermore find bugs in your website, kindly patch them so that your website will be secure. Okay, that is called as website hacking. This is the prevention way that you have to be secure with your website. After that, we have this network hacking. Yeah, what is network hacking? Network hacking is a server which stores every data. Like we studied MongoDB, right? MongoDB, SQL, everything we studied, right? So if you are thorough in those last sessions, you will speedily grasp this class. Okay, because all the sessions are included in the one class here. Okay, you can also get a recall what I'm saying. Okay, this network hacking includes, it is a database or MongoDB, anything. Okay, uh, kindly mute yourself. Neha, kindly, yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, network hacking, that is a database. Okay, with that, inside the database, many valuable data are found. Okay, in previous days, data is just a record. Okay, that has no value. After the evolution of technology, we started to transfer money through online and GPay, phone pay, Paytm, etc, 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 net banking and bitcoins, cryptocurrency, everything is online. Okay, nowadays no one is carrying cash, everything is digital. Okay, so after evolving of the technology, we a company was attacked by a hacker without the company had which is a topmost company. I just want not to tell the name, just saying, if you Google it, you can find it. Okay, just find on yourself. Okay, so that company was attacked by a hacker. The hacker has found vulnerability inside the website. The data, all the data inside the website was corrupted. It is actually a bank. Okay, in America, located in America. 1.3 million of US dollars was lost by that attack. Imagine 1.3 million USD. Okay, so after that only people came to the knowledge that data is more precious than previous days, so that the cyber security field has evolved much. Nowadays cyber security is vast field, you can learn anything. Day by day the technology is developing. Okay, now this is the network hacking. After that we have the password hacking. So password hacking is meant for, there are two types: MD5 hash, script hash, and SHA, like that. Hashing is a method which is used to encrypt your password. So there is a program, Python program with me, so I will share you just a minute. Okay, no, okay, my screen is stopped. Okay, just a second, I will share my screen. Yeah, so this is the hash. Okay, this is the password cracking program which I have made with this help of Python. Okay, you can see that this is a hash. This is a hash which is secured with the 128 or 64-bit of characters. Hashing is meant for encrypting some message. Okay, if you type somewhat Vivek, Ram, Rajesh, anything, that 5 words are converted into this type of word. Actually, this is a MD5 hash. Okay, MD5. Another type of hash is also there, that is SHA1. These type of SHA1 hashes are used in SSL security. Like if you go to any website, you will find a padlock symbol on the left corner, which is meant that the website is secure, and all the transaction you make that website are converted into these hashes and only transferred to the website. Without converting into hashes, none of the informations are transferred to the server. Okay, so every information you enter there will be converted to hashes. The password inside your Windows system or Mac or your mobile phone, everything are stored like this in MD5 hash format. Okay, so this Python program will help us to crack this MD5 hash password. So I will open the program side by side. Just give me a minute. So this is the program. Actually, I have imported a library called hashlib, which is used for cracking the hashes. Okay, but one thing you have to note, how the passwords are strong, your system resources will be used much and much. Okay, so your system should be very strong and very capable to handle these kind of processes. So don't run this program if you have a low end system. Okay, that will crack your system. Okay, your system screen will freeze. So don't run this program without if you're not having a top end system. Okay, at least you have to be 8 gigs of RAM and i5 processor to run this program. So you can see that password found is a variable. I have just made a variable and initialized it to a 0 value, and after that input hash is a variable, and I'm getting the enter the hashed password. Okay, it asked me an password, hashed password. I have to enter this password here. Okay, just let me copy this password here. Copy. Okay, I copied this password, and after that it has to be for cracking the password, you have to be with a dictionary. Okay, what is dictionary? Dictionary is a text file, just a text file which stores all kind of names in this world. You can see right, if a 4-digit password has a combinations, right? If you enter a 4-digit pin password, it has multiple combinations. Like that, we have the combinations. Okay, if it is a 8-digit password, we have much and much of combinations. So so for every combinations in the all with all 26 letters and all the numerics on all the symbols, all the combinations are stored inside one single dictionary file, that one single text file, which is called as dictionary. That file is used for hacking this cracking these hashes. Okay, so I'm giving a dictionary here. Actually this dictionary is very small. You can see that word list. Okay, just I have these names here. Okay, so I close this. This is the dictionary I'm going to provide here. Okay, after that this is a try block which opens that dictionary file from this path. Okay, so if there is if it cannot open the path, it will throw an error, please give the path correctly. Okay, and after that for word in pass file, okay, for actually I have meant this word and pass file. Here this is the pass file, and we are opening the pass file, right? After that what we are doing is we are encoding the word dot encode. Actually in inside the pass, we have showed many names, right? Rajesh, Ram, Vivek, Pooja, like that we have stored names, right? These all names are encoded to UTF-8 characteristic format. Okay, UTF-8 is a character Unicode transformation. Okay, Unicode transformation format, which is used as similar to ASCII. Okay, they are all converted to UTF-8, and with the hashlib.md5, we are what we are doing is it will decode that UTF-8 formats into hash. Okay, After decoding it, it will compare to it will compare the hash decrypted hash with our inputted hash. We are providing on hash, right? It will compare those two values. If the values are correct, it will produce the name which is from the dictionary file. Okay, so now I'm running this program. Okay, I have to trust this. Tested window. Now I will run this. Yeah, it is running. So see how much time it takes, right? For i7 also it takes some time. So enter the password, hash the password. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to copy this password. Copied. Now I'm going to paste it here. Okay. So I have entered the password here. Okay, hash the password. Now I'm going to enter the path for the file. Okay, word list. So I'm just entering here. Copy the path, paste it here, and word list. Now I click enter. Actually, it is asking for okay, word list.txt. I have to give the txt dot txt. The format should be correct. Yeah, you can see that the password is Vivek. It found the password. What it actually does is we are providing a password here, right? It has the password. It stores in the memory. After that, the program will and after that it will search every values inside the word list that we are provided and decrypts all the word list into hashes. The words, the Vivek will be decrypted into like this. Okay, and after that it will check this decrypted value with this pre-entered value by us, and if that matches, and it will print the result. The password is Vivek. So that this is the way of cracking these passwords. Now let me go to the previous screen. So this is the password hacking or password cracking. Okay, and after that, computer hacking. What is computer hacking? Computer hacking is nowadays very less, but if you have Windows, if you think your Windows is very secure, I have antivirus, blah blah blah, none of them will protect your system. That's the truth. Black truth is that Windows has the format of exe. When you install a file, that is a format .exe, which is a format of executable format. With that format, Windows can run every file. If I make a Python program to hack your passwords, and I convert that into a exe format and encrypt that with the signing process, if you if you have time, just take your Aadhaar card or PAN card. Just you take your Aadhaar card. Okay, in that Aadhaar card you can see that there is a signature field. In that signature field you can notice that the signature is valid, and there is a green tick mark on your on that signature page. Okay, that is a valid signature. Without that signature your Aadhaar is useless. Okay, like that what I will do, the computer also follows this format. Okay, what it does is it will search for the security signature. Okay, it will search for the security signature whether it is present or not. If it is not present in my exe file, it will block. When I make go through a signing process and I put a valid signature inside that my Python script file and make it as an executable file and send to you, the system will accept the file. Okay, this is a legitimate file, and no virus and no harmful content here, and it will automatically run in the background. So all the system resources will be shielded and send it to me. Okay, this is called computer hacking. So don't mind that Windows is so secure. The security all in your hands. Okay, so you have to manually verify whether this file is secure or not. Someone sends you a random file, kindly don't install it on your mobile phone or in this Windows system. Also I have to tell you that iOS is also not secure and Android is also not secure. Everything has a weak point, that is signing. Okay, the signing process is conducted once and you unfortunately install the app on your iPhone or Android, all the game is over. Okay, everything will be gone. So this is called as computer hacking or device hacking, whatever we can call. Okay, after that we are going to see about the phases of ethical hacking. What are the phases of ethical hacking? uh, First we have to reconnaissance the victim. Okay, if we what is reconnaissance is the meant for information gathering. Okay, if you want to hack a person, you have to know little bit of him, who is he and what is his phone number, like that information you have to know, then only you can send a virus file to him. Or if you know the Pabanasam movie, you have seen, right? You don't seen the Pabanasam movie, Kamal Hassan actor. So in that movie, what Kamal Hassan will do is he will manually introduce himself with the conductors, drivers, bus drivers, all those, and he will convey him as a legitimate person. Okay, like that we are doing reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is information gathering. This is the first phase of attack. You have, if I am going to hack you illegally, okay, ethical hackers will not do like this stuff. Okay, they will directly go to you and ask your permission and they will. Okay, but in the meant of unethical hacking, what they will do is, uh, I am going to hack you. Okay, what I will do first, the first phase is reconnaissance. First I will gather you and I will claim myself a legitimate person. I will normally be a friend with you and talk with you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and your mind will trust me, because I am your friend, right? After 3 months your mind will completely trust me and you have no single black marks on me. Okay, so now I am a legitimate person inside you. Okay, then I can gather your informations like your name, your mobile number. That is enough for me. Okay, your mail ID or mobile number, that is enough for me. After that, what I'll do, I will scan. Scanning is a process which is made only in servers. Okay, and not meant for Androids and iOSs, not meant for that, and also not meant for laptop desktops. Okay, that is only made in servers. Okay, just leave that scanning. I have claimed that, right? Nmap is a tool for scanning the IP address and port, open IP address and ports. Okay, that is a scanning process that is not meant here. If you are going to hack a server, you can go through this scanning process. After all the details are done, we are going to gain the access to your device with you. Okay, I got your information like WhatsApp number or your mail ID. What I will do is, there is a one famous attack called phishing attack, phishing, phishing. Okay, what is a phishing attack means? You can see that randomly your friend will message you, and you will definitely face in this life on WhatsApp. Okay, you will definitely face this. I'm damn sure. Okay, your friend or in any some other groups in WhatsApp group, you can see that claim this free laptop. Go through this website, click this link, claim your free laptop, claim your free iPhone 12 Pro Max, blah blah blah. This is called as phishing attack. Kindly don't fall into this hell attacks. Okay, these are the demons for your mobile and your privacy. Okay, uh, or you can also take this class as a little bit awareness class. Okay, everyone needs to be aware in the cyber world to be protected yourself. Okay, so that if you go through that link, you can see that there is a wheel, a roll wheel. There is a button in front of middle of that spin. If you tap on that spin button, it will directly go to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, and what it will do is it will automatically install an APK file, that is an application inside your mobile phone. If that application is installed in your mobile phone, your game is over. Okay, uh, that's all your details, everything, your camera, microphone, even the hacker can message you in to your contacts without knowing to you. Okay, they can use your camera, they can use your selfie, they can take your record your video, audio, everything they can do. They can, even though they can completely format out your phone, there is every data in your phone. Okay, So if you are installing any applications, kindly go through the permission process. The app will ask you the permissions. Okay, everyone what they does, hello, 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 hello. That's all. They are not even reading what is the permission the app is asking, and we are not also checking is this permission is necessary for that app application. Okay, if you go when you install a when you install a music player app, it asks you a location permission. What is the need for that app to ask your location? Just imagine, if you are using a music app, what is the need for that app to ask your location? Okay, but what we will do, simply allow. When we give allow only, the application will work. That's all our mindset. But don't be like that. Be caution from today itself. Okay, when you are installing app, kindly go through the security verification process, like what is the permission the app is asking to you. Everything you should ask. Okay, you should see. And if there is negligible permission, like if a music player asks you a location permission, kindly deny it. Okay, kindly deny, don't give allow. So this is the process. Phishing attack. Okay, what I will do is, when I'm going to hack you, I will send you a phishing message in WhatsApp. Hey, I will what is this phishing is meant for is normally gaining your curiosity. Okay, human is made for curious, human brain is all addicted for curiosity. Okay, curiosity means what is inside that. I have to know. Okay, if some problem is going nearby house, we will be very curious that what is the problem going on there. Other if you came to know that, we will be very happy. Oh, this is the problem. Okay, we will be very happy, right? Knowing others personal details, that is the curiosity. The same thing here, where I will send you a picture, like get 100 rupees instantly. Click this link to get 100 rupees credited into a Paytm account or GPay, Google Pay, Phone Pay. If you click that link, your game over. That's all. That is called as gaining access. Okay, which is done with the help of Metasploit tool. Okay, actually this is the most advanced tool we are using inside this cybersecurity field. Okay, so with this help of this Metasploit, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so we are also planning to keep an offline session. So I will demonstrate this kind of things there, because here network is very low, very critical. So if I share the Kali Linux operating system, that's all. I will get out of the Zoom. Okay, so I will surely share when the offline mode is open. And after that, gaining access is done. Gaining access is getting into a phone. After that, what we have to do is maintaining the access. What is maintaining the access? Maintaining the access means, if I am inside your phone, I have to maintain that connection with me and you. If the connection is broken, I have to send the application again to you. Okay, so that we are very we are very cautious that the connection is not interrupted with you and me. Okay, that is called as maintaining access. And this hack clearing tracks. What is this clearing tracks? Clearing tracks is the most important topic that we use our cybersecurity research field. When we in my case, when I am hacking into any programs, we call this as fingerprint. Okay, in cybersecurity field, we call this as fingerprint. When I'm hacking into any computers or any websites legally, okay, I'm an ethical hacker. Okay, not an unethical. If I'm cracking into an system legally, after doing all the kinds of work, I have to erase my fingerprints from there. What is fingerprint? Not just keeping my fingerprint on their system screens. Okay, not like that. Fingerprints is a digital identity which will be automatically stored inside the server. Okay, so I have to erase that before I finish the attack. Otherwise, I will be caught and I will be sent to jail. Okay, if I am doing unethically. In the mean of ethical, that is not, no jail is needed. In the meant of unethical, we have to clear the tracks that we have came. Okay, inside. And after that, as an ethical hacker, if you find any bugs there, you have to immediately report to the concerned person that these kind of bugs are there inside your website. So kindly fix that, or it will be danger to your website. Okay. You have to report that bug to them. So this is the ethical hacking class for today, and I hope you guys will be enjoyed this class throughout the session. And as I said, we are also planning for an offline session. I will demonstrate these kinds of attacks and everything with Python, basis of Python. So I hope this class will be interested for you. And I also made some bug bounties in Google bug crowd, and I also have encountered a bug in our Tamil Nadu government site, and made in the Hall of Fame 3 days before. So if you guys are interested in ethical hacking, kindly DM me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will guide you. If you have any doubts regarding this session, or you want to learn something new in ethical hacking, kindly DM me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So this is the class that is over. So actually we saw this, right? We saw the program, password cracker. So no need for the source code. All the source code will be on the GitHub page. Kindly go through the GitHub page, and you will find all the source code, all the PPTs there. Verify that. Okay. If you have guys any doubt, kindly ask in the chat box right now, or else you can unmute yourself. You can ask the doubts. Okay. No doubts are there. You guys have no doubts? Okay. I think there is no doubts for you guys. I hope the session will be interesting. So now let's move to the quiz session. Actually, I have not prepared a PPT for this quiz session because ethical hacking is a vast field, I previously said. So we cannot include 4 or 3 answers for a single question. Okay, Bhausha has asked me a question. Is ethical hacking helps to join in cyber crime? Absolutely. Actually, Bhausha, I am also doing ethical hacking. I have completed one certification, and now I am doing OSCP. Okay, and OSCP and CASSP I'm currently doing now. If you are interested in cyber security, my field is also going there. Okay, if you are interested there, kindly DM me. I will share you the messages. What are the needs you have? Ethical hacking definitely helps you, but you have to hold at least one certificate, and you should not be involved in any illegal activities. uh, Consider me, if I am doing an unethical work, my certificate will be permanently banned. Okay, and I will be sent to jail for 6 months. So don't do, you should not have one single black mark on you. So be more caution, and you DM me. I will post the message there. Okay. So anyone has any doubt? So no doubts. Let's move to the quiz session. Okay. So normally I'm asking the question. You type your answer in your point of view. Okay. No need for accurate answer. Just type your answer what you learned throughout this session. Okay. The first question comes. What is phishing attack? Just type the answer or single word or double word in your point of view. No need for perfect answers. Okay. Just type your answers in your point of view. What is phishing attack? Two or three words is enough. Not need for more words. You guys can also now unmute because if you feel the answers are so lengthy to type, you can just unmute yourself and say. Okay, Bhausha has answered sending unnecessary website links to gain attention. Yeah, good answer. This is true. Actually, gaining access is correct. Yes, your answer is right, Bhausha. Congrats. Any answers? Any answers, guys? Yeah. Okay. Someone answered me like Jaya Ganga Lakshmi, sending unnecessary message and hack our gadgets. Yeah, your answer is good. Yeah, okay. Johit Khanna also answered that he sending unnecessary message to hack. Okay, his message was correct. Okay. Yeah, you are good, guys. Very clear. Okay, thank you for your answers. And we will move on to the next session. What is maintaining access? What is maintaining access? Not gaining access, maintaining access. What is that? You can also unmute yourself if you are. If you feel free to unmute, you can just unmute yourself and say, because the answers are too long, right? Okay. Priyanshu Kumar Chowdhury has answered that the goal is to steal sensitive data like credit card and login informations. Oh, okay. You are answering for the previous question. Okay, okay. Your answer is correct. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Any other answers, guys? What is maintaining access? Okay. Sarathi has answered. One time mobile is hacked. How to recover mobile, sir? Oh, okay. This is a general question. One time mobile is hacked. How to recover the mobile? How to recover the mobile means you can just reset your mobile. But they are also in our field. We are also having uninstallable applications. What means that if once the application is installed on your device, you cannot uninstall it. Whether you reset or anything, what you're doing, you cannot uninstall. It will be installed as a system application. Okay. Normally, you cannot uninstall some apps, some of the apps with which is pre-installed on your system, right? Those are called as system apps. So you cannot uninstall them. If you are tapped into some kind of that applications, the better way is to flash your mobile phone. Flashing means reinstalling the operating system inside your mobile, which will cost you about 3,000 or 4,000 something, I think, flashing. But you can't do on your own, but do with caution. Okay. Uh, that is the answer for you. So if you are not trapped with if you are if that hackable application is uninstallable, then no need for flashing. Okay, you can just uninstall app, then the connection will be cut off. Okay, I think. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. I think no one has the answer for that maintaining access. So I will say the answer. Actually, maintaining access is when the connection is made between the victim and the attacker, we have to keep the connection online without interrupting with between us and the victim, right? So that only we can hack their phone. So maintaining the connection properly without any interruption is called maintaining access. Okay. And the last question, what is called as just a minute, once again, once again, guys, I'll be back. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Call has came. Okay. What is called as black hat hackers? What is their role? Any messages, any comments? What is the use of black hat hackers? What is their role? You can just unmute yourself because answers are too long. So you can just unmute yourself and say, or else if you are comfortable with chatting, then okay, no problem. Okay, Hajit has answered. If my friend Paytm account was hacked, stealing money without knowing. Okay, if you are Hajit, are you asking a general question or just you are answering to the question I have asked you? Violates computer security for personal benefits. Priyanshu Kumar. Okay, violates computer security for personal. Yeah, your answer is correct. Black hat access culprit guys. They do this kind of thing. Bausha has answered to steal our information and use that to get money from us. Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, Hajit has asked a general question that if my friend Paytm account was hacked, stealing money without knowing. Okay, your friend's Paytm is hacked and money was stolen. This is the question, or what is the point of your question? What to do? Okay, you are asking what to do. We cannot do nothing there. We are, there is no purpose for us. You can either, your friend can either contact your contact the Paytm user for refunding the money, but they will not refund that because the hack will not be made that because Paytm is nowadays very secure, so hack will not be happened. For protection, okay, protection, previously I said everything is in your hands, okay. You are the key for the lock, so be more caution while you are entering any sensitive card details or UPI ID in any site. Kindly verify that the site has a secure connection, SSL, the padlock symbol will be there. And okay, the padlock symbol will be there. And also do not enter your credentials with www1.http, like that websites are also there, okay. www1 http1, these are all meant for insecure websites, on especially made for hacking, okay. Kindly don't enter sensitive any informations on those sites, okay. Priyanshu Kumar Chaudhary had messaged me like, give some security tips, okay. So that's what I'm giving now. Yeah bro, thanks. Yeah, thanks for your comment. Okay, actually Kumar, what is security tips I'm going to give you is, uh, please secure your mobile device with any security pin, and kindly don't use face unlock, okay. Face unlock is not secure. If you are using Apple also, I'm saying face unlock is not secure. Nowadays Apple is came with the 3D face recognition, but even though that is not secure, okay. uh, Secure your phone, and don't go to unnecessary links, okay, like phishing attack, gaining money, I will give you 10,000, click this money. Kindly don't visit those links, okay. If not even they are installing any applications inside your phone, they can also steal your data while you are online in that browser itself, okay. When you are online in that site, you are going through Chrome, right? Chrome or any other browser, they can also steal while you're online without installing any applications in your mobile, okay. That is made with the help of Buffalo. There's a tool, Buffalo. What the tool does is, it can, without installing any applications in your device, just searching, they can hack your mobile, okay. And there are many kinds of attack: mouse over, invisible image, touch attack, many things are there, okay. So don't go through any unwanted links. And other tips are I said, right, don't visit the padlock list, don't visit those sites, okay. HTTP1 www1, and don't enter your sensitive informations inside the insecure websites, okay. Card details, like that informations. And also, while you are browsing into an unknown site, like if you are going through Amazon, it is a well-known site, and so you can securely browse through it. But while you are going to an unknown site, kindly use virtual private network, VPN. There is an app called virtual private network in Play Store and App Store. Kindly turn on the VPN, connect to that. After that, you go to search the unknown website, okay. Why I'm saying is, for your personal information will be secured and no one can hack you, okay. And also, kindly do not turn on your location unless and until if the location is prompted inside your website, okay. uh, if you open Google Maps inside your browser, it will definitely ask you location for locating you, okay. On that time, you can trustly give your location. But when you are going to any other websites, kindly turn off your location and browse the website, okay. It is identity theft attack, okay, which will be carried out with cookies, okay. Cookies will carry out this information, sensitive informations. And also, kindly do not allow cookies. This site will use cookies. Kindly accept or deny, okay. If that is need not important, do not accept, okay. So that is most important. So these are all my security tips. So if you follow this, you are in a safe region, okay. So this all for this class. I hope the class will be interested. Pooja will now share the, okay bro, thanks. Yeah, thank you bro, thank you. Pooja will share the feedback link for this today's session. And if you guys have any personal doubts about this ethical hacking or this today's session, you can directly DM me or DM me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So kindly fill the feedback link today. And if you have any suggestions or feedbacks, you can also comment in the chat box. Okay. So thank you guys. Everyone kindly fill the feedback link so that you will get the attendance. Yeah, Sarathi, thank you, thank you, thank you for your comment.
So it was a very nice session, Mohan Ram. It
Yeah,
was
ma'am.
very
Thanking you,
useful.
ma'am.
Okay. So I request everybody to fill the feedback form. So today will be, tomorrow will be the last session. Okay, I request everybody to join for tomorrow's session. And followed by that, after some days, we are planning to conduct the same Python bootcamp in physical mode. Okay, so that it will be useful for you. You can have the interactive session. Okay, right. I request everybody to join for tomorrow's class. You have to fill the feedback form today's and tomorrow's. Okay, right. So that you will be getting your certificates. Yes, have you all filled the feedback form? So Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you check the feedback forms, ma'am?
Ma'am, only few have filled, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So let's wait for 2 more minutes.
Okay, Baushya has made a comment. Thank you so much, sir. This must be my favorite session. Yeah, thank you for your appreciation. I'm glad to share my knowledge here. Thank you. Thank you, Baushya. Yeah, guys, those who have submitted the feedback form, kindly leave the meeting.
Ma'am, mostly they have filled, ma'am. We can enter.
Okay, ma. Okay, Pooja. Yes, thank you all.
Yeah, guys.